Okay, good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to all. Sa lahat ng mga escrimador dyan, sa mahilig mag-arnis, meron akong tutorial kung paano mag-strike for combination strike sa single arnis. Anyway, 18 combination strike akong itudlo karon sa mga beginners. Pwede ninyo itong exercise every morning. Or depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gagamitin. Pwede ito pang self-defense. Pwede gawin nyo nito lang pang self-defense. Okay. Ito po ang ating tutorial. Thank you for watching and good morning. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So yun ang ating 18 combination strike sa single arnis. Okay, balikan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay, balik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Ito yung itong 18 combination strike. Thank you for watching and good morning.